Hey guys, it's Ami and More. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this crown for the Fall Guys Amigurumi. Blue is being crowned the winner today and he has left all these other guys in his wake. You can find the Fall Guys Amigurumi tutorial on my channel and I'll also link in the description below. Now for the crown, you make it in rows and then you'll bring the ends together in a circle and it creates the crown. I'll show you step by step how to make it. Remember to tag me with your projects on Instagram as I'd love to see how they come out. Alright, what are we waiting for? Let's get started! Here are the materials you'll need. For the crown with gold yarn, you are going to make a slip knot onto your crochet hook and you are going to chain 22. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22. Now for row 1, you're going to do single crochet stitch across and you should have 21 single crochet stitches at the end. So here's our first single crochet stitch. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you're going to continue to do single crochet stitch all the way across and you should have 21 single crochet stitches at the very end of this row. This is how row 1 should look like at the end. Now for row 2, we are going to chain 1 and turn. Then we are going to single crochet stitch all the way across and you should still have 21 single crochet stitches at the end. And here's how it looks like after row 2. For row 3, you are going to chain 3. That's 1, 2, and 3. You're going to do a slip stitch back our previous chain. You'll do a single crochet in our next chain and then in our next 3 stitches we're going to do slip stitch. So it's going to be 1, 2, and 3. We're going to repeat the pattern again. That's chain 3, 1, 2, 3. You're going to slip stitch right there. And then in our next stitch, we're going to do a single crochet stitch. And then in our next 3 stitches, we are going to do slip stitch. That's 1, 2, and 3. This is how your 2 points look like. Repeat the pattern again. 1, 2, 3 chains, slip stitch, single crochet stitch. And in our next 3 stitches, just slip stitch again. That's 1, 2, and 3. Continue to repeat the pattern. And when we get to the end, we should have 7 points. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then with your crown, you're going to go ahead and make a circle so that both the ends come together. And you will want to use your yarn needle and sew it together so that the 2 ends are joined to complete your crown. Okay, you'll want to make sure it's tight by making a loop and fastening it, and then you'll want to weave your ends close. You'll just pull through and then you go back the other direction. And with the yarn, you can either cut it off so you can have a standalone crown, Or you can just leave it so that you can use the extra yarn to also sew it on top of your Fall Guy amigurumi if you wanted. Now for the other end of my crown, I'm just gonna go ahead and weave in the yarn thread as well. So I'm just gonna go towards the back, and then I'm going to weave in one direction and then weave back the other direction. Then I'm going to go ahead and also cut this yarn as well. And here is our finished crown. This is how it looks like. And it is ready for the winner of the Fall Guys obstacle course. Let's go ahead and crown the winner. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you found this tutorial helpful, and I will catch you next time. Bye for now.